Hello and welcome everybody. In today's video I'm going to be showing you my favorite password manager, as well as I'm going to explain now why it is important to use a password manager. So the question is, how safe are your weak passwords? So even if you are creating strong passwords, chances are you're using the same password over and over again, which makes it weak, as you are all aware that just one weak link in the chain of websites wherever you have put that password, and your password could be known to people who you don't want it to be known. So a password manager helps you keep the password safe, because unlike a traditional lock and key system where if you were the only one with the key, no one else could get in, passwords are slightly different. So unlocking your stuff is slightly different. So let's go through some of the most used passwords. These are really weak passwords. I do go over this in one of my first videos. I'll put the link above. So I went on the search for best password manager out there. I also wanted something that was free, but that gave a paid version as well, just in case you wanted to. As you can see, I came up with this list of password managers and what they do. As you can see, generates alerts, forms and autofilling, user management, multi-factor authentication. So I also wanted a password manager that supports most devices, if not all devices, and the password manager that I kept coming up to was known as Bitwarden. So Bitwarden is a free and open source password management service that stores sensitive information like website credentials and is encrypted in full. So if we go to Bitwarden's website, we can see it says that it is an open source manager. You can create a free account, but then it also has about our product, and you can read about them. They have a lot here, but the most important thing is you can see that they use end-to-end encryption with a AES-bit encryption, salted hashing with hashing algorithms. So it is a cross-platform application, making it accessible to you on all of your devices. There's a global community, so they do have a paid version. As you can see here, we can view pricing and plans. They have a free version, they have a premium version, and they have a family sharing version. Then they also have for your business, if you want for your business, but I'm going to be sticking for you. So as you can see here, they break it down to what the free comes with, the premium and the family. You can see there is a lot of useful stuff here. So anyways, let's get into downloading it. So if you go to Bitwarden, you can download Bitwarden for any of your devices. You can see Windows, Mac, Linux, and then for all of your browsers. So you can also just go to your extensions and search for it in extensions, which I will be doing now because I don't want to download it. I might have to download it, so I'm not actually sure, but let's let's see. So there we go, Bitwarden free password. Let's add it to our Chrome. Add extension, downloads, there we go. So it has launched. It opens this video for you to get started, which will show you a few things, but we're just going to click on get started, and then it takes us to here. So you will need to enter your email address, your name, and then master password. This master password must be very complicated and secure so that you can keep it secure for yourself. So once you've entered in all of your details, you must make sure your master password is at least strong. The way I come up with the password is I look for a couple of words, or I create a passphrase, which is a couple of words. I use a few special characters in there as well as numbers to create a unique password. But once we submit this, you can see Chrome is asking me to save this. I'm going to go never so that it does not save it. And then I can just log in here. Can keep the remember email on or not. Then you can see here we are in our vault. So I'm going to send verification email to verify my email address so that you do not lose access to this, because that would be very bad. But now, for instance, if we go to Gmail, I hope I'm not logged in. Yes, I'm not logged in. Let me just pin the application there. Oh, I don't think it is active. There we go. We have to log in over here. So you see there are no items. Once you log into a website, you will be asked to save the items, and you can save the items here. You can view your vault. You can generate passwords to whatever complexity you want to. I would set it to at least 25. If not, some websites won't be able to handle all of the characters, so you might have to adjust it from website to website. You can regenerate it as much as you want to. As you can see the password history. You can edit this if you want to go into more of the details. You can, but this is just a short video to show you an awesome password manager so that you never forget a password again. Another reason I chose Bitwarden is because you can put it on any iOS or Android device in the app, and then you can have all of your passwords at your fingertips. So if you don't want to use the browser extension or install it on the computer, as long as you have your phone, you can still access the password. You can set it to save any passwords you use on a website, so you can make your own complicated passwords that you might be able to remember if you see them, but you won't remember if you don't. You can do that as well. Just keep them all in your vault on your app. But if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and that subscribe button. Think about leaving me a comment with any thoughts or suggestions you have. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.